Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. So let's start the review. Deeds Protocol. Today we are taking a look at Deeds Protocol, a blockchain powered project that aims to modernize the way digital ownership, assets management, and decentralized participation work. Instead of focusing on speculation, this project is building real infrastructure designed for long-term utility. We will also look at the ongoing pre-sale, how you can participate through the acquire deed section or directly via the sold sale pre-sale page, and why many communities members are following the project development. So let's dive into it. First of all, I'm telling you that what is Deeds Protocol. At its core, Deeds Protocol is building a decentralized ecosystem focused on creating transparent, secure, and efficient digital ownership solutions powered by blockchain technology. The project's vision is to give users greater control through decentralized infrastructure while providing a foundation that can support future applications within its ecosystem. One thing worth mentioning is that the team has updated its white paper, giving the community a clearer explanation of the project's architecture, goals, roadmap, and long-term vision. If you are researching the project, reading the latest white paper is a great way to understand what the team is building and where they plan to go next. Rather than simply launching a token, the project is focused on developing an ecosystem where utility plays an important role as development continues. So next I'm telling you that why participate in the pre-sale is important. Now let's talk about the current pre-sale. If you're interested in becoming an early participant, the website provides an acquire deeds option that guides user to the pre-sale process. Here you can see the pre-sale starts in 35 days, 12 hours, 25 minutes, and some seconds. You can also participate directly through the project sold sale pre-sale page, where you simply connect your compatible wallet, choose the amount you want to contribute, confirm the transaction, and wait for the token claim period. According to the project's schedule, participating during a pre-sale allows community members to support the project before its broader launch while becoming early ecosystem participants. As always, every blockchain project carries risk, so it's important to do your own research, review the documentation, and only participate with funds you can afford to risk. Now back to the website. So next we have their fund allocation and vesting. Here you can check it out. Their 40% core development, 40% liquidity reserve, and 20% global market. Here you can see the benefits of Deeds Protocol, that why are people paying attention to Deeds Protocol. Because some of the potential benefits include a long-term vision focused on decentralized digital ownership, an updated white paper that provides greater transparency about the project's plan and ecosystem, early participation opportunities through the current pre-sale, a community-first approach as the ecosystem continues to develop, blockchain technology designed to provide transparency and verifiable on-chain activity. As the project grows, the development roadmap and ecosystem expansion could introduce additional features and use cases for the community. Here you can check it out, their protocol mechanics right here, like their zero-knowledge property proofs, BFT consensus settlement, and a smart screw engine. They will give you an amazing feature right here. Next we have their tokenomic details. You can check it out, their total supply, their deeds token, and further more detail, their token quantity, primary purpose, supply breakdowns, and allocation pool, and further more details. Next we have their amazing roadmap. First we have the Q2 2026 completed. Protocol architecture design, zero knowledge legal framework design, smart contract core specs, and security vulnerability testing. Q3 2026 their current phase, Deeds token launch and pre-sale, 39-day public pre-sale event, DEX liquidity deployment, and initial property registry pilot integration. Q4 2026 their upcoming phase, testnet settlement launch, public validator node onboarding, zero knowledge screw testing, and institutional API deployment. Q1 to Q2 2027 their future, mainnet engine and global expansion, full mainnet settlement engine release, multi-jurisdictional registry link, and RWA collateralization APIs. So here you can check it out, their whole roadmap. Next we have their frequently asked question like what is Deed Protocol, how do I participate in the Deeds token pre-sale, what is the pre-sale token price and duration, and are there vesting conditions for pre-sale buyers, and furthermore. You must read their frequently asked question for better understanding about a project. So next we have their social platform like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. You can see their latest news and posts right here. And you can also check it out, the comments about the project right here. So overall, Deeds Protocol is positioning itself as a blockchain project focused on building practical decentralized infrastructure rather than short-term hype. If you would like to learn more, visit the official website, read the updated white paper, and if you are interested in joining the community, you can access the pre-sale through the Acquire Deeds button or the official soul sale page. Remember, this video is for informational purpose only and shouldn't be considered as financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before participating in any crypto projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!